Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a BFT controller. First, always prioritize safety by ensuring the main power supply is completely disconnected before you begin any wiring. Next, carefully identify the power input terminals on your BFT control board. These are usually clearly labeled as L for live and N for neutral. Then, locate the motor connection terminals, which are typically marked M1 and M2, or with specific labels for the motor windings. This initial step is crucial for a safe and successful installation. Now, let's connect the power and motor. Carefully connect your main power supply cable to the L and N terminals on the control board, making absolutely sure the polarity is correct. Then, wire the motor's power cables to their designated motor terminals. These connections are vital for the motor's operation. Don't forget to connect the motor's earth wire to the dedicated earth terminal on the control unit, providing essential grounding for safety. Always double-check these connections before proceeding. Next, we'll integrate your safety devices and accessories. Connect your safety photocells to the designated input terminals, which are typically labeled FSW for fail-safe or safety input. Then, wire the flashing light to its appropriate output terminals, ensuring it activates whenever the gate or barrier is in motion. Finally, connect any additional accessories, such as keypads or push buttons, to their respective input terminals, following the specific wiring diagram provided in your BFT manual for each device. For the final steps, restore power to your BFT controller and carefully observe the initial power-up sequence. Next, perform the auto setup or self-learning procedure, which is crucial for the controller to learn the gate's travel limits. This process is detailed in your specific controller's manual. After that, thoroughly test all connected safety devices and accessories to ensure they function correctly. Finally, verify the motor's operation in both the opening and closing directions, making sure everything moves smoothly and safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.